Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. Earlier this week, the cryptocurrency world saw an increase across some of its major coins. Investors and traders were all excited by this development. Analysts were busy studying charts and trends to ascertain what was next for some of the major coins. And this has led to a popular question among investors and traders of Vechain. A lot of them have been asking what exactly the price prediction for the coin would be like heading into the second quarter of the year. Should I buy Vechain? The VET token was not also left out, as investors also had questions concerning its price. In today's video, we shall be looking at all these questions, the price predictions for this coin. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. What is Vechain? The Vechain blockchain has a dual token dragon that has begun to gain popularity in resolving regulatory uncertainty around the use of tokens that also act as securities within the network. Vechain was co-founded in 2015 by the former information office of Louis Vuitton China, Sunny Lu. The VET token ran on the popular Ethereum blockchain until 2018, when Vechain was rebranded and started using its own blockchain. The Vechain is one of the two different tokens that run on the Vechain Thor blockchain. The other is the VThor token. VET is the native security token that is used for transfer of value, whereas VThor is the utility token that is used to execute transactions and smart contracts. And both of the two tokens trade at different prices. Vechain makes use of blockchain technology to provide supply chain management solutions for large enterprises. Fast processing speeds allow enterprises to make use of Vechain in managing their multi-party payments and multitask transactions. The proprietary toolchain platform, the blockchain, and the Vechain ID purchasing module work together in order to solve several data issues that enterprises regularly experience in supply management. The dual token model is fast, secure and cheap, and according to developers, it detaches the volatility of the VET token price from the cost of making use of the blockchain, so that decentralized applications known as dApps, which runs on the Vechain Thor blockchain, have stable and predictable fees. Back in April, the Vechain Foundation started a 99% reduction in the base gas price in order to encourage developers to create apps on the blockchain, tapping into the rise in popularity for non-fungible tokens known as NFTs and decentralized finance, DeFi. Okay guys, so there are all the details about the Vechain token and its blockchain. Now before we go into the price prediction for the token, a lot has been going on with the coin that is capable of affecting its price. So let's take a quick look at it. In April, liquidity provider Woodtrade said it will support Vechain on bridging native assets, which include VET cross-chain, offering liquidity and pricing for dApps, and providing liquidity for Vechain-based stablecoins. They also said they would help drive the adoption of the VET ecosystem. Vechain launched a $1 million fund for its Vechain grant program for developers and projects to contribute to the enterprise NFT ecosystem. According to the website, they said, "We have reached a conclusion that enterprises are going to be the main driving force that pushes for the mass adoption of NFT, and the best way is to work closely with them to co-develop a vibrant ecosystem on the Vechain Thor blockchain. Enterprises are more likely to attract quality NFTs to the ecosystem, which is important for its sustainability. In order to get the most benefits from NFTs, enterprises can develop elements of the ecosystem such as NFT wallets, websites, and apps. And enterprises also have enough reason to make sure that the legitimate ownership of NFTs is enforced to prevent damage to their reputation." The price of Vechain recently has remained fatigued and lacking in a directional catalyst. However, there have been recently sooner that the price of VET may turn lower. In its last trading, Vechain traded lower by -$0.00096, which is equivalent to -90%. And according to analysts, what VET is suffering from is regarded as an investor apathy. The altcoin party at the start of the year has ground to a halt over the last month. The crypto carnage we saw in May has, for now, sapped the energy from the Vechain price, and VET is facing the same problems as its digital asset peers. At the start of 2021, the broader crypto space was rejuvenated as huge inflows of capital chased returns in what is a relatively small asset class. In hindsight, the crash we saw in May, which wiped more than $1 trillion from the global market cap of cryptocurrency, was inevitable. A majority of altcoins has proven multi-bagger investments, and prices had run far ahead of the fundamentals. Vechain gained a little over 1,500% in the first 3.5 months of the year, and most of the gains came in the first 2 weeks of April. In the month that followed VET's 17th of April high of $0.2823, the coin lost close to 90% of its total value. However, the lower valuations encouraged buyers, although short-lived recovery. By the first 2 weeks of this month, That had retraced more than half of the losses and was trading at $0.1551. With the price of Vechain now at 30% lower in the last 2 weeks, the recovery of the coin is looking increasingly fragile. If you are among the host of people asking questions like should I buy VET? Going by its current trend, it is not exactly safe. And this is not a financial advice. You can always carry out your own research before you decide to invest in the coin. So let's take a quick look at the price prediction for the coin in the coming months and for the rest of the year. Popular analyst platform Wallet investors have predicted that the coin might go up as high as 19 cents before the end of the month, and by the end of the year, the coin would hit 50 cents. However, Wallet investors aren't too optimistic on the long run, predicting that it would take up until 2025 before the coin hits the $1 mark. On the other hand, Digital Coin Price have predicted that the coin could go up to 15 cents this year, and by 2025, the coin will hit 30 cents, making them less optimistic than Wallet investors. There you have it, guys. This is cryptocurrency, and price predictions are meant to be taken with a grain of salt, so before you make any choice of investment, ensure you carry out your own research. That's all for today's, guys. If you have any questions about today's video, or perhaps I missed something, head straight to the comment section and share your thoughts. Can't wait to read your comments. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.